Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your CapCut PC or desktop version here to create AI image generator. So first you need to open your CapCut here, and if you already updated your CapCut PC or the desktop version here, you'll see an option called AI generated. So click on AI generated here. So this is the option for in the video editor to create any AI image and use it in the video editing system. So as you can see, I have created some AI image here, and this is the result here, and this is the prompt option here. So you can edit your text here and it will create an image here. So this is the generate option. So for example, if I just click on generate option here, it will start to create some image here. As you can see, these are the image that have created in the AI generated with the CapCut here, as you can see. So this is a very pretty and simple, easy way to create any AI images for your video project here. You can also edit the images here. Click on edit here, and you can see there's an option called adjust here. Click on adjust. So you can see there's only two model here now, just general and enemy here, and it's the ratio option. What kind of photo picture ratio that you want with your AI image here. So these are the ratio here, and this is the step. More steps means the images being more detailed, but it will take a longer time. So if I just create another image with the more detail option here, and let's choose the general option and choose this 16:9 ratio. And if I just change the prompt here, so this is the option to change the random prompt here, country house measure. So let's just click on generate. And if as I choose the steps at 60, the maximum highest rate, so this will take some time. So as you can see, these are the image that created in the CapCut AI generated, and this looks pretty amazing here. And there are three options here you can see, which is feedback, HD, and download. So you can download, and also you can create this image as HD here. So let's just create this image, HD version of this image. Click on HD. And it will start to enhance the image here in CapCut. So as you can see, this is the enhanced image here. So if I just click on it, and as you can see, the image is now in the HD version. So you can use it in the video here, in the image, and it will be very easy to create any image for your video project here. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.